Hi guys, this is Ishak and you are watching Ahyat Property TV. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now we are in the last video of the special video series that I'm doing on the topic of when the party is over. Now, some investors ask me, and I've mentioned this in the videos before. Some investors ask me, Ahyat, is the party actually over? And if it's not over, when is it going to be over? Now, the thing is, only God knows when this party will be over, or will it be over at all. But the message that I want to send is, there was a couple of messages that I shared with you in the past 4 videos in this series. But this is going to be the toughest message that I want to send to you, that I want to share with you. And this is it. When the party is over, the people who are most detrimentally impacted and devastated will be this group of people who you and I know, who are flippers. Yes, flippers. That means people who buy and sell, and that's all they do. Now, listen to me. Listen to this. I'm not saying that buying and selling at a capital gain and getting some profits out of that is wrong. I'm not saying that it's wrong. What I'm saying is, if that is your only strategy, I'm saying that it's wrong. Because the worst strategy is only having one strategy, and the best strategy is to have more than one strategy. So I'm inviting you to think more strategically in property investment and think beyond just buying and selling. Now I'm going to give you a scenario, right? We talked about scenario planning. I'm going to give you a scenario. In 2010, when you bought a high-rise building, so it's going to be completed 36 months later, right? In 2013. In 2010, let's just go back in time. In 2010, would you have ever thought that in 2013, Bank Negara will pull out all stops to cool the market, to tighten access credit? Would you have ever thought, right? And can we ever imagine when exactly the economic crash, the next one, would come? So that's really something that no one can really guess except God. Only God knows himself. Only he would know. Only God would know, right? And that's the thing. If you're a flipper, let's say you bought it at 2010, 2013, it's difficult to get loans. 2013, sorry. I said that, 2013, yeah. It's difficult to get loans. And you're not going to be able to get the premiums that you're expecting. Let's say no one is in the market is soft. No one is in the market to buy from you at the premium that you're expecting. And the worst part is, your only strategy was to go for a flip. And you disregarded, you were reckless about tenantability. You didn't think about tenantability. It wasn't important to you at the time of purchase. What's going to happen? No one's going to buy from you at premium. And no one's going to rent from you. And you're going to burn so much money every month. So that's what I mean. When the party ends, people who only had one strategy is going to really burn their fingers. And I invite you to be more strategic. And honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I, as a property investor, I still see so much opportunities right now. And I don't even know what to call the market right now. Is it an upside, a downside? Is it totally, it's totally uncertain, right? Is it good time to go in? Is it a bad time to go in? Some people say when it's a good time to go in, property prices are already too high. They are not going to enter. When it's a bad time to go in, the market is just so uncertain that nobody wants to go in. So good times, bad times, you don't go in, and you're just not a property investor at all. I'm not saying that you should be reckless about it too, but really, guys and gals, property investors, strategic property investors who are watching this, there's a lot of opportunities. Be a strategic property investor, and you will be able to find opportunities and make money from it in any market. But seriously, be careful, be discerning, and be strategic. Most of all, be strategic. So thanks so much for watching this video series, and see you guys in the next video on Ahyat Property TV. Bye bye.